Hi everyone, welcome to Algebra Trick. Today we're going to learn what is a natural number. A natural numbers are the number that we use when we're counting. So look at the picture right now. How do you usually count? You count with your fingers, right? Which always start with 1, 2, 3, 4, so on and so on. In this case, we can easily say natural number is just like counting numbers. So after we learn what is natural number, now is checkpoint time. Which of the following are natural numbers? I'm going to give you 10 seconds to look at it, and then we're going to talk about it in a bit. Okay, 10 seconds over. In order to approach this problem, usually what I like to do is what? Highlighting the keywords. Once you highlight the keywords, review the concept real quick. What are natural numbers again? Natural numbers are like counting numbers. So let's start with the top left corner. 85. Can you count 85 times with your fingers? The answer is yes. So that's why 85 is a natural number. Now, look at the second number now. Negative 45. Can you count negative 45 times with your fingers? We cannot. Fingers can never count negative number. So in this case, this is not a natural number. And then now look at the next one, 4 over 5. Is 4 over 5 a natural number? If you do division, you will get a decimal number. So in this case, 4 over 5 is also not a natural number. The next one we have is negative 5 over 3. Negative 5 over 3. 1 is a negative number. Second, then when you divide 5 over 3, you will get a decimal. So in this case, negative 5 over 3 is also not a natural number. The next one we have is 0. Is 0 a natural number? Think about it. Do you naturally born with at least one finger? Yes, you do, right? So that's why 0 is not a natural number. The next one here, we have 8.9. 8.9, it has a decimal, so that's why it's not a natural number. And then the next one is a tricky one. Tricky one because 8 divided by 2. By looking at it, you may think that, oh, it's a fraction, so that's why it's not a natural number. But when we do division, 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. So technically, this problem is asking you, is 4 a natural number? The answer is yes. So that's why 8 divided by 2 is a natural number. And then now let's look at the next one now. The next one we have negative 12 over 3. By looking at it, you would think, okay, 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. But don't forget the negative sign. Do we have negative 4 fingers? No, we do not. Because we always start counting from 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how we have learned in years. So that's why negative 12 over 3 is not a natural number. The last but not least, 43. Can you count fingers 43 times? Yes, you can. So these three numbers are the only natural numbers in these questions. So if you guys like the video, please don't forget to subscribe to Algebra Trick so that you won't miss any more new math trick.